To join. So I'll be discussing lang yung final activity natin for this SEM and for my subject. So, eto siya. This is actually a dito sa bookkeeping exam, part of parang sample or practice set for bookkeeping exam na end-to-end process ng accounting cycle, and this is for perpetual inventory system. So yung merchandising company siya. Okay? So ito ay yung magiging basis ninyo to prepare a trial balance, a general ledger, and financial statements. And you need to prepare journal entries for this, ito, and for your adjusting entries. And this will be your basis, yung chart of accounts on how you will record yung mga entries from 1 to 30 and your adjusting entries. Okay, so ano ba yung magiging activity natin is, number 1, to turn this into an Excel template. So, this one. I want you to, let's say for example, create a tab to add your journal entries. Example, itong journal entries na to. You will create like a sort of this format. And then you need to turn this into a dito. Ayusin ko lang. Just an example for you. So you need to turn this into a general ledger. Let's see. Kita nyo naman screen ko, no?
Opo.
Ito ko lang sa inyo para at least meron kayong idea kung paano gagawin. This is actually a combination of all your ano ba, mga tinuro ko sa inyo for this SEM. So let's say for this one, gagawin nyo siyang general ledger. Create kayo ng pivot table. So, account. Yung general ledger is per account siya. Ito kasi pinakita ko sa inyo, trial balance na itsura nito. Pero yung general ledger, ito siya. Ganito yung format niya. I think these are the movements of equity. Then, let's say for this one, this accounts receivable. So, meron mga movements na ganyan. If you want to have that sa pivot table mo, dapat i-filter mo rin siya sa accounts receivable. Oops. Yeah. Meron ka ng general ledger. So, kung usually naghihiwalay siya, depende sa description. So, usually meron kang description here. para iba-iba siya, no? Para maging ang itsura niya ay yan. Para maging ganito yung itsura niya. Yung movements mismo. Technically, this is your general ledger. Next, GL sample. Wait lang dun sa may question, ha? Tapos,
Ma'am, meron daw pong gusto pa pong mag-join. Thank you po.
so ito, sample, trial balance. So, ganito yung itsura niya, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng journal entries. Meron kayong general ledger, ganito yung format niya. Meron kayong trial balance. And then next will be, kailangan nyo mag-present ng mga different financial statements. So, ito, income statement. Tapos, equity. So, ganyan siya yung gagawin ninyo, ha? Hindi ko pala ibibigay sa inyo itong sample na to kasi ito yung sagot mismo. So, please, tandaan kung ano yung itsura ng pinapakita ko. Okay? So, technically, magagawa nyo to, mapoproduce nyo tong general journal. Mapoproduce nyo tong GL based dito sa general journal. Mapoproduce nyo tong trial balance based din dun sa journal ninyo. And then, from your trial balance, makaka-produce kayo ng income statement, balance sheet, statement of equity, cash flow. So, yun yung magagawa ninyo from this document. So, yung expectation ko, you need to hindi natin dito. Instruction. 1, create tab of general payment. For general use of ledger or general journal. Whichever is easier for you. Use the trial balance to prepare so statement of equity. Yan. And then, using your reimbursement. Ito yung prelim niyo, if you remember. Create a slide or PowerPoint to discuss the analysis for citation. Yeah. Okay. So, ito yung mga gagawin ninyo Isa-send ko sa inyo tong document na to as your guide. And I would like you to produce, so yung magiging expected output ninyo is number 1, Excel file, yung working paper, and then PowerPoint. Ito Excel file or Google Sheet, whichever you prefer. Yan yung magiging output. Okay. Question. Sige, Christine.
Good morning po, ma'am. Individual po ba to?
Yes, individual. So each of you have your own reimbursement Google Sheet, diba? And then each of you should be preparing your own template of financial statements. So medyo i-present niyo siya as a real working paper. December 8 ang final exam niyo, diba? So by December 8. Sige, lagyan na rin natin. Question pa? Sure? No questions? Okay. So, since walang question, I'll be sending the file in the messenger para dun nyo na lang i-download. Please let me know kung halimbawa along the way you need some assistance. You have, parang you have an idea but you're not sure how to present it. Your pivot table is not working. You want yung idea ninyo as to presenting the working paper is there, but you don't know how to do it efficiently, I can be like your consultant to assist you kung paano yung gawin yung template ninyo. Okay? Please use those things na tinuro ko sa inyo before, like the pivot table, the charts, the formulas, how to do slides, and then sa analysis side ninyo. Dumadaan. Alright, so if there are no questions, so since naka-asynchronous naman tayo, I will not be, teaching anything naman na. So this is your final activity that you will be doing today, or whatever time you prefer, kasi it is individual. It is actually your final exam. With relates to accuracy of your content nung general journal ninyo, yung ledger ninyo, I will not be particular in the amount. If ever medyo may mga mali kayo sa entries, it's not the, the points of, hindi doon manggagaling yung grades ninyo sa kung paano nyo i-present yung, kung tama yung journal ninyo, kung tama yung debit and credit ninyo. That's actually your accounting prof to actually teach you that. But I have expectation, of course, na tama yung gagawin ninyo because you're an accountant, diba? So, dapat alam nyo na yung simple general journal kung paano gawin yung mga debits and credits. Saan ko kayo gagradean? The presentation itself. I would like to, parang pag tinignan ko yung Excel ninyo, mas madali ko siya maintindihan. Mas madali ko siya ma-navigate. And madali kong mare-review yung inyong ginawa. If it looks like a scratch paper, that will be the less points na makukuha. If it looks like a professional presented working paper, then that will be yung ang tawag dito, I can give like a flat one already for that. So, important yung usage ng colors ng ang tawag dito, format. I want it consistent, professional, and clean. And make as much formulas and pivot tables as you can rather than doing a hard-coded template. So, when I say hard-coded, naka-type lang yung amount. So, I think what's best is to ensure that you use formula para at least if you continue to use that template, mag-change agad yung financial statements ninyo based dun sa additional entries ninyo. Hindi nyo na kailangan i-edit lahat ng tabs kasi may mali kayo sa entry ninyo sa journal. So, kailangan sa journal pa lang, pag pinalitan nyo yung journal, mapapalitan na lahat until sa cash flow ninyo. Ganon dapat yung gagawin ninyong template for your working paper. Okay? Tapos, yung for reimbursement, it is as if yung reimbursement na yun ay parang part ng inyong expenses. So, you don't need to create any entries for your reimbursement document. But, when you do your analysis and presentation sa slide, you use the reimbursement as if that's part of the expense. Okay? If there are no questions, I would like to request everyone to open your cam kasi I need